So 2 days ago pane musikana anonzi Julia Makombe akashaya after aita complications abortion. Shamwari yacho yanyora tsamba panapa iri kuti iyo iri kuda justice. Let me just read nyaya yacho munyatsozvinzwiro mega. Hans, I need you to post this. I have a friend anonzi Juliana Makombe who sadly passed away yesterday at Harare Hospital. My friend was in a relationship with a junior doctor anonzi Tadiwa. I'm not so sure of his surname, who was working at Harare Hospital. Juliana became pregnant and the doctor pressured her to terminate the pregnancy. The procedure was reportedly carried out at the junior doctor's house located within the doctor's residence at Harare Hospital. It is not clear whether this was a properly conducted or authorized abortion. Unfortunately, the procedure did not go well and the doctor decided to admit her to Harare Hospital. She then underwent an operation on Sunday to correct the complications that had arisen from the abortion. After the operation, she survived and was due to be discharged on Monday. However, because she was still weak, the doctors decided not to discharge her and kept her under observation. Sadly, she did not make it and passed away on Tuesday morning. My concern is that the doctor in question is nowhere to be found and the deceased relatives have been at Mbare police station but nothing concrete seems to be happening. This is making people feel that something is not right. I'm appealing for justice for this innocent soul. We demand a thorough and transparent investigation by Harare Hospital authorities, the ZRP and any other relevant authorities. If any wrongdoing occurred, those responsible must be held accountable. Ndonya yacho yese iri panapa. So handizive hangu kuti shamwari iyi, if the procedure had gone the right way, ainga achazouya here achitaura on social media. And panapa anenge ari kutoita speculations ekuti if it was authorized, pamwe it was authorized here, and those who authorized, we need them to come to they need to come and explain to us nyaya yacho kuti yakafamba so. Ndofunga tinonyatsoziva kuti abortion muno muZimbabwe it's not yet legalized. Inoitwa under certain conditions. It's not kuti vanhu vanoita se vanotoita openly kutoenda kuhospital wotosvika wotoitwa wotodi procedure yacho has to be. And this has to be like a lesson to a lot of people. It's not like kuti musikana uyo futi she's like ngati shamwari yake also needs to be accountable. Although akashaya zvake, but my actions ayaka ndeake futi. She must also be held accountable because iwewe you cannot be pressured. You are an adult at the end of the day. And you cannot be pressured into someone wekuti unotonyatsoona panapa handisi kudiwa kutonzibvisa, which means kuti munhu uyu haasi kukuda. Woenda futi to the same person womutrusta with the process yacho iyoyo. And ari kunzi panapa is a junior doctor, kana kuti ari kutopractice here, kana kuti ari kutoita sei ameno, wotemba munhu akadaro. And then pazoita zvakadai so mashamwari ozoti we need justice. Justice yacho pakadai so munoiona ichibuda justice yacho because it's like mapurisa achada evidence yekuti sure procedure iyi mukomana uyu akaita. Because evidence iripo ndeyekuti pamwe akatowana somewhere else anogona kutoramba. So I don't see kuti anyone is going to be held accountable nenyaya iyi. Rather than the friend yacho akatofa yeye ndiye angaifanira kutoita kuti zvinhu zvacho zvisazosvike pazviri apapa. Because at the end of the day, a girl child should be taught to be responsible. And futika, having a child is not the end of the whole story. It's not the end of the whole situation. You are not supposed to okay. Vanhu I think kuti vari kujairira the word yekungoti vanhu vakangoita nhumbu vakungoita abortion pasi pemuti. Yes, unotrasta kuti ndidoctor, but have it authorized. Have it kuti kana uchita something, a procedure that has to do with your life, koshesa upenyu hwako, not kungoita zvinhu zvekungoti vedu vevanhu vangani vanofa nezvinhu izvi. Iwo ungoti we can do it pasi pemuti, we can do it in your house because you are a doctor. Tongodai kana zvadai so vakutinetsa vakuti takuda justice. Ameno, I don't know kuti police icha investigator chii and how are they going to handle this whole thing. I don't know what you guys think nenyaya iyi kuti we supposed to be held accountable. Ndiani ari wrong panyaya iyi because everyone should just be responsible no matter kuti chii kana kuti chii. We are not embracing with the shamwari yake akafa, yes tikuchema naye, but shamwari yakewo futi was equally wrong.